Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath there's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does have 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. Black MB-Tex interior, anthracite poplar wood trim. Sunroof. Trailer hitch, GLE 350, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, cargo cover, fold down rear seats, clean set of floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which gives you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with the surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 26,069 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.